Okay, classical conditioning applications. You're going to explain each of the elements of classical conditioning in the examples below. So, A, for her 14th birthday, Charlotte received Justin Timberlake's Man of the Woods album from her best friend. They listened to Say Something on repeat throughout the night. Whenever Charlotte hears this song, she thinks of the fun night with her best friends and is happy. Letter B, Mateus and his brother are visiting their grandparents on their farm for a month during the summer. Their farmhouse is nearly 100 years old and has old plumbing. If a person is in the shower and someone flushes the toilet, the water becomes very cold. When Mateus was in the shower, his brother flushed the toilet, and Mateus flinched and fell backward to avoid the cold water. And then letter C, the stomach flu was going around a local middle school. Several students had been out. Elijah ate his usual lunch of chicken nuggets and mashed potatoes. A few hours later, he became violently ill with nausea and vomiting. Since his illness, he is unable to eat chicken nuggets and mashed potatoes because he feels nauseous. This is an example of blank.